Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I have an incredible story that combines the worlds of luxury cars, professional football, and the passion of automotive restoration. It's a tale of unexpected challenges, community support, and the relentless pursuit of a dream. Let's dive into the fascinating journey of how YouTuber Matt Armstrong took on the monumental task of restoring Manchester United star Marcus Rashford's wrecked Rolls-Royce. In September 2023, Marcus Rashford was involved in a collision that left his custom Mansory Black Badge Wraith Rolls-Royce severely damaged. Thankfully, no one was injured, but the $700,000 vehicle was written off due to extensive damage on its left side. Fast forward to March 2024, and enter Matt Armstrong, a car enthusiast and YouTuber with a growing following. Spotting an opportunity to combine his passion for cars with content creation, Matt purchased the wrecked Rolls-Royce at an auction for $184,000. Little did he know, this was just the beginning of a challenging yet rewarding journey. Upon receiving the vehicle, Matt quickly realized the damage was far more extensive than initially anticipated. The auction listing had claimed the car could start, but reality proved otherwise. The suspension was a mess, the exhaust was perished, and the entire left side resembled a banana due to the impact. The complexity of the repairs was daunting, especially given the custom nature of the Mansory parts, which are notoriously expensive and hard to source. In a surprising and heartwarming turn of events, Marcus Rashford's team reached out to Matt. They offered invaluable assistance by providing a spare key, the ghost code required to start the car, and other essential components. This gesture not only saved Matt a significant amount of money, but also showcased Rashford's generosity and support for passionate projects. Matt expressed his gratitude, acknowledging that Rashford's team didn't have to help, but their support made a world of difference. Determined to see the project through, Matt made the bold decision to purchase a second Rolls-Royce for $97,000 to serve as a donor car for parts. This move was against his usual practice of preserving vehicles, but was necessary to restore the Wraith to its former glory. Over 6 months, Matt, alongside his father and friends, meticulously worked on the car. They invested in high-quality components, including a $35,000 interior overhaul and $9,500 for side skirting and carbon fiber toppings. The total investment reached $324,000, a testament to Matt's dedication and the project's complexity. Throughout the restoration, Matt documented every step on his YouTube channel, engaging his audience with the highs and lows of the process. In a generous move, he decided to auction off a damaged part of the original vehicle, with the hope that Marcus Rashford would sign it. The proceeds from this auction were pledged to Fair Share, a charity supported by Rashford, emphasizing the project's community spirit and charitable impact. This journey is more than just a car restoration. It's a story about passion, community, and the unexpected connections that can arise from a shared love for craftsmanship. Matt Armstrong's dedication turned a wrecked luxury car into a symbol of perseverance and collaboration. It's a reminder that with determination, support, and a bit of risk-taking, even the most daunting projects can lead to extraordinary outcomes. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more inspiring content, and as always, keep chasing your dreams.